How to know if someone restricted you on Instagram. Welcome back to Glitch Sorcerer, and let's get right into this video. In this video, we will decode some of the hint that someone has restricted you. To start off, launch your Instagram application, make sure it is up to date and you are logged in. Even though Instagram directly do not notify you if someone has restricted you on their account, there are signs you must not ignore. To start off, whenever you are opening your Instagram, checking out the activities or stories, you will rarely or never see any of their activities even though you are following them. That is the first sign that they have restricted you. Next is when you go ahead and DM them any of the message, you are not displayed with the send notification. And this might be the second sign that you are restricted by them. Third and the most important is when you tap on the search icon to search for your profile and enter the username as correctly as possible, but still there is no sign of them, there is most likely the chance either you are restricted or blocked by them. In such a case, there is nothing that you can do on your end. And that is all for this video as well. Hopefully it was informative to you.